don't know if you can. You see that? I'm guessing that's probably 20. That's about 20 yards away, maybe. See that little branch, that little dead branch right there? Whew. Really wasn't hunting. I was kind of just scouting. But I had to come back to the truck because I'm hungry. I'm gonna cook my lunch right here on the tailgate. You know, Tailgate Thursday. You ever heard of it? It's a thing. Cook your lunch. I'm gonna use my stove that Donna gave me. I was thinking about you, Howard. Ooh, this little bit of heat feels pretty good, I must say. That's a Jake Parker Dark Wolf knives, traded to me by Bushcraft Dave. I'm gonna throw this little piece in just to see if it's ready yet. That's what I'm looking for right there. This is better if you have a non-stick pan, but I don't have a non-stick pan, so that's why I'm just keeping them moving them around. That's that first little test piece I put in there, which will be the first one to get eaten. I'm just gonna flip them. Man, you know what would be good with this? Yeah, it's a NA, but it'll work. They're not done yet. I'm just taking them out because I got to mash them down a little bit. Yeah, see what you do? You put it back in the skin, You just give it a little mash. They're pretty hot still. See? And then you put it back in the grease. Now I'm going to do that to the rest of them. I'll show you what they look like when they're finished. If you never had fried plantains, you should. Looks like a banana. It's tougher than a banana. It's like a banana and a potato kind of mixed together. It's gonna go really good though with my main dish. I think those are about ready. So I saved the other half of this catfish I caught the other day, just for my lunch today. And then here I put some just flour and salt and pepper and paprika, some garlic powders, onion powder, you know, a little bit of everything. A little bit of everything I had in the pantry. But it makes for a good coating on catfish. Look at that. Oh, I should cut that in half, I guess. Good idea. That's what I will do. So it's just about done, I think. I have some corn that came in, that MRE that Tracy and Leah sent me. I'm gonna just heat that up in my Canteen cup. Yeah, looks just like regular old canned corn. That'll work. Sorry. Corn's ready, fish is ready, plantains are ready. It's time to eat. Let's see, where's my Texas Pete? Because, you know, no meal is complete without Texas Pete. I'm putting on all of it. Corn, to plantains, to catfish, everything. It's time to eat. Where am I going to eat? Oh, I got an idea. my long sleeve shirt. It's getting a little chilly out here. This would be perfect. Heck yeah. Plantains are good. Catfish is good. I knew that was going to be good already, though. Tastes like corn. You know, there's plenty here. If you were here, I'd share. But since you're not, I guess I'll eat it. But I'm not gonna make you watch me. But I do want to say thanks, though. Appreciate you hanging out with me for a little while I did my Tailgate Thursday. And Howard, I'm glad you're feeling better. If you don't know what happened, you should go check out. I'll put a link to Howard's channel down there. You go check out his last video. You'll know why I'm wishing him get well, or wishing him speedy healing, or whatever. It's a lesson all of us should pay attention to. Anyway, see you later. So it's 5 o'clock exactly. It's dark almost in the woods. And look, as I come out my, check this out. It's going down right there. Oh man, I can't even see. I'm blinded. Oh. Ouch. Oh, jeez. I can't see. This is crazy. My gosh, I don't know if I've ever seen a brighter sun than that. Whew. I'm glad I don't have to drive into that. Oh, there's a dead skunk over there. No wonder. I thought I smelled that. Oh, phew.